ayun guys, good morning. At tayo ay pupunta na sa go to doctor.
She will check up Sir
She will check up Sir Steve. Thank you so much, Sir Steve.
We're going.
Saan,
She's blood test.
Parang siya ng dugo.
Blood test.
CBC.
I'm going to Dr. Sir Steve. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Thank you for helping me and help all Sir Steve.
She fasting 10 hours, Sir Steve. And she feel nervous.
Don't
To the
be
result.
nervous.
To the result.
But she's now, she's already,
Already prepared.
yes.
So, hanggi na nga eh. Gutom na ako kanina pa.
She feel hungry.
Kagabi pa.
10 hours fasting.
At so yung guys, update na lang namin kayo mamaya pag nandun na kami sa sa check-up namin. Guys, nandito na nga tayo sa
Medical center.
Dito po tayo sa
Hernandez Medical and Diagnostic Center.
Arakon.
Tata!
89 days na lang Pasko na. Yes. Malapit na
Yan guys, dito na tayo.
Kaya na.
Ha?
Yan. I will dance.
After 1 hour.
After 1 hour result? Ha? Tibeng? Yes. The result is she feel nervous.
Kukuha na ka lang ng dugo, kakabahan ka. Konti lang.
Teka, si mama silang dikit. Buksan mo. Wala sa lang niya, buksan mo. No talk. Alas ka, kinukuhan mo.
Pagbukas na po ka na kamay ko. Tanda lang mo.
Dahil pa natin dugo sa katawan no.
Paulit lang buong pangalan ko. Paulit ko lang buong pangalan. Christina Corpus ko. Ay!
Make sure daw yung ulo mo check up rin.
Patingin, mama. Mama, patingin. Patingin.
She feel nervous, Sir Steve.
1 hour pa
We're
naman
waiting for the result after 1.
Tara mo na.
Ano?
Tara na ako.
So,
Pa naman is.
bali after 1 hour na lang po yung result. Thank you po.
Pwede na ako kumain.
Ano ko ba yun? Ano ko ba?
Guys, ito na yung... yung blood test. Tara, Ara.
Sabi mo habang naghihintay tayo, magkano ko muna ako eh. Dahil gutom na ako. Ito na.
Ano, 1 hour pa po daw yung 1 hour ang results. Lalabas po muna kami kasi ano po muna yung
Yes! We have 1 hour! Oh! We have 1 hour to wait. Habang naghihintay kami, while waiting, we were going to eat because Christina's very hungry, you know.
Yes.
It's a 10 hours, 10 to 11 hours fasting. She feels so hungry.
Ganyan kadaming duguin, no? Ha? Hindi, pag daw uulitin daw yung pagka hindi na, pagka busog. Uulitin daw pag busog. Sa arar. We're waiting for 1 hour of my results. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. And I will hungry na, just eating.
Malapit lang din naman tayo sa Malta.
Oh. So, sakit. Super sakit, guys. Eat muna tayo, eat. So, ayan guys, good morning. At tayo ay...
Hello guys!
Ito na nakuha namin. The result of first day na si Blood.
Yeah, mapagka kayo.
Babangga na kami. Mamaya natin mababasa to dahil hindi naman tayo marunong magbasa nito.
Yes.
Ipapapasa pa natin kay Dr. De Guzman.
Yes.
Kaya pupunta muna kami doon ngayon.
We will go to the another doctor again, Sir Steve, because it is reading for the other doctor. What is the result is? This is the paper. This is the result. What do you say? What is your comment?
Kinakabahan.
She's still nervous. Hemoglobin, 136 results.
Bakit? Shout you for something. Shout out to
Pala. Kala ko magabasa ka ng mga ano. She is live. Also.
Yes.
Oh. We're going to another doctor. We're going to another doctor.
Kapatabangan na, babawal ka.
Oh. Yan. Let's go, guys.
Sige.
Hope the result is okay. Sir Steve, we are here in another doctor, Sir Steve. There's a lot of patients here. Dahil pa.
Ilang kayo?
Ilan tayo? Bumalik lang tayo. Ano po yung paano lang di po pabasa?
Basahin ang nanay niyo. Tatawagin.
Pero mabilis lang po. Mabilis lang. Mabilis lang sila magbasa.
Bilis lang po. Bilis naman yun. Bilis, kumukulis na.
Sir Steve, we're just back home with Pototsky and Christina. And the result was normal, good.
It's a normal. No medicine na.
I think Christina, it's only puyat. It's only lack of sleep. I think she have lack of sleep. That's why her head was ache that time.
Yes. Tagal na natin natin. Tingnan lang pala. normal.
Sorbengot daw. We're go home. We're back to our house. Ganito. Parang malabo.
Normal na lahat. Sa negative na, Sir Steve. Na kuha na sana ko sa
Ay, ito po yung ano, nasa snap. Kano?
We're just here outside. We were waiting again because there's a lot of patients. It's Saturday here with Christina and with our sister Kototsky. Thank you again, Sir Steve, for helping Christina, especially in her health. Guys, nandito na po tayo sa bahay ni Christina. Nakauwi na po kami. Sir Steve, we're just back home here. This is the house of Christina.
Yes, Sir Steve.
And the result.
My result is normal.
Yes. The result, Sir Steve, by the way, it's normal. Because she have a medicine to take. That's why.
Yes. Thank you, Sir Steve. Normal my blood test. May no medicine.
No medicine at all, Sir Steve. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
Thank
Love
you.
you always. Sir Steve, thank you so much. Huh? Thank you, Sir Steve. Love you. Take your time and God bless. Thank you so much. Love
Bye,
you.
Sir Steve. Bye all, guys. Thank you for
Bye.
watching.